will be showing you how to make a high poly sphere. So usually when you hop into Blender, a square is automatically there. So just press the delete key and then go to add, and then go to mesh, and then go to UV or icosphere. I'm going to use UV. And then not that one. And then go to modifiers. Right here, the one with the wrench. And then click add modifier. And then click subdivision surface. And then you have this. The maximum poly level is 6, I think. But I don't recommend doing that because it might crash your computer. Like, here's an example. And then up to 5.